Next question, please.
Next हमने ये माइक पे करनी है.
So my question is from Imran. I'm Shahnawaz from Dunia News. So what is Imran about the future of wrestling? Are we going for the international status like freestyle wrestling and other things in Pakistan as well? Because you are colleagues of professional wrestlers from across the world.
Yes.
So the international standard is freestyle wrestling, which is most popular.
Yes. We have contracts with the wrestling academy in Europe, in USA, and in our academies we have a train-the-trainer program. So we get the trainers from abroad, come and train our own local trainers. And then, so the wrestling that you see outside the world, outside Pakistan, that means that is the same style of wrestling and standard wrestling that we implemented. But we give it our own touch, and just for the record, the greatest wrestler ever is the He's 2 years from the whole. And I was told that by